The Kenya National Union of Teachers KNUT Secretary General Wilson Sossion says teachers will go on strike from January 2nd to protest the mass transfer of school heads. Sossion added that parents should find other activities for their children when the schools reopen for the first term. This time we are not contesting salary rise but working conditions. TSC is no longer an independent body that reflects the aspirations of the people. We withdraw labor on 2nd of January 2018, said Sossion in a press conference. The reaction follows a move by the Teachers Service Commission (TSC) to transfer more than 3,000 primary and secondary school heads. Teachers countrywide to strike from January 2nd to protest transfers and lack of promotions. We have authoritatively established that the 3,094 transfers have not been approved by the appointment board. It is illegal, added Sossion. The Commission says the transfers and deployments have been undertaken to achieve equity and teacher distribution for improved learning outcomes in public schools as well as strengthen the management of some schools following recommendations from the standards and assessment reports. KNUT Chairman Wycliffe Omuchai also has opposed the move, saying it will disrupt families, and accused the Commission of conducting the transfers without consultation and approval by the appointment board. Elsewhere, teachers from Mount Kenya region have opposed the new guidelines on management of co-curricular activities, directing schools to budget for the activities based on the allocation they get from the government. They now want the running of co-curricular activities to remain under the management of teachers. Speaking during a meeting for KNUT officials from 10 counties in Town, Laikipia County Branch KNUT Executive Secretary Ndungu Wanjenai faulted the ministry, saying the new guidelines lacked stakeholders' involvement and are a recipe for discrimination, corruption and nepotism. Wanjenai further asked the Education Ministry to stop deducting the activity fees from the Free-Day Secondary Education Fund. Last month, the Ministry of Education issued guidelines requiring co-curricular activities be managed at the sub-county, counties and regional levels starting next year. In a circular, the ministry directed schools to budget for the activities based on the allocation they get from the government instead of charging parents.